Hello, dear students. Today we will start with the new chapter, that is chapter number 12, Email and Google Drive. In your term 1 syllabus, two chapters will come. Number 1 is Internet and its services, that was chapter number 11 that I explained you. We have done exercises in book and question answers in notebook. Now we will start today chapter number 12. These two chapters will come in your term 1 syllabus, right? So, in that chapter, email and Google Drive, the topics we are going to cover are email or electronic mail, email address, email programs, parts of email message, sending and receiving email message, common email terms, creating an email account in Gmail, Google Drive, opening Google Drive, upload file or folder, organizing file and folder, sharing file or folder. Okay, these are the topics we will cover in this chapter. So let's start with the first topic, that is email or electronic mail. ईमेल इज़ द मोस्ट पॉपुलर सर्विस ऑफ इंटरनेट की सबसे ज़्यादा पॉपुलर सर्विस है. ईमेल enables us to electronically exchange messages with other internet users. We can exchange our messages with the people, those who are living far from us. We can exchange the messages with the help of email, that is electronically we are exchanging messages with the help of internet wherever they may be. Okay, means all around the world. A computer, a modem or internet or network connection means what are the things we require for exchanging messages electronically. Means for sending email we need a computer, a modem or network connection, and an email address are needed for using an email. Okay, we need these three things to use email. Ray Tomlinson developed the first email application for the ARPANET in 1971. Ray Tomlinson was the person who developed firstly email application in 1971, consisting of a program called Send Message, SNDMSG. Okay, consisting of a program. It consists of program, that is the name of the program is Send Message for sending mail, and a program called Read Mail for reading mail. Okay, this is used for reading mail. In the 1980s, such messages were exchanged between computers in offices and universities. Later on, see, it developed in 1971, and in 1980s these type of messages are exchanged between computers in offices and universities that had been linked together. जो कंप्यूटर्स लिंक्ड थे उनमें आपस में मैसेजेस को सेंड करने के लिए ईमेल को यूज़ किया गया इन 1980, राइट. बाय 1990 ईमेल हैड गॉन वर्ल्ड वाइड. 1990 तक ईमेल क्या हो गया, वर्ल्ड वाइडली. it will spread worldwide, and today our lives without email seems incomplete. Means we are depending on email nowadays, right? We need in each and every field of our life, professional, personal, we are depending on that particular program. Now, advantages of email. Today almost anyone who has internet access also has access to email. जो इंटरनेट यूज़ कर रहे हैं दे नो अबाउट ईमेल एंड दे हैव एक्सेस टू ईमेल ऑल्सो. सो थियोरेटिकली यू कैन कम्युनिकेट विद ऑलमोस्ट एनी इंटरनेट यूज़र इन द वर्ल्ड. इस तरीके से हम किसी भी इंटरनेट यूज़र से कनेक्ट हो सकते हैं. वी कैन टॉक, वी कैन एक्सचेंज आवर मैसेजेस. दिस वर्सिटैलिटी हैज़ मेड ईमेल वन ऑफ द मोस्ट पॉपुलर इंटरनेट सर्विसेज. इसीलिए ये इंटरनेट की एक बहुत ज़्यादा पॉपुलर सर्विस मानी गई. ईमेल इज़ एक्सट्रीमली फास्ट. नाउ दीज आर द एडवांटेजेस. इट इज़ वेरी फास्ट. यू कैन रिसीव अ मैसेज इन अ मैटर ऑफ सेकेंड्स आफ्टर इट हैज़ बीन सेंट. Okay, within a second you can receive the message, and irrespective of the geographical location of the sender and the recipient, if you have good internet connection, you can within a second you can send your email as well as you can receive also. Next is email is convenient because you can send messages anytime during the day. Means there is not any time defined for sending or receiving email. 24 hours you can send anytime any of the message to any of the person, and your recipient does not need to be at his or her computer or even connected to the internet. Means wherever whenever they will see the PC or they will see your their mobile phone, they can receive your email. You can send. It is not compulsory for the recipient to be present, to be online at that time whenever you are sending your email, right? Next is, you can send a message to a group of people free of cost, quickly and easily. आप एक साथ एक से ज़्यादा लोगों को मैसेज कर सकते हो, that is free of cost. Very quickly you can do that task and it is very easy also. Next is, you can send documents, graphics, sound files or any file as an attachment along with your email. Means, see, that is a wonderful facility in email. You can send your documents, you can send graphics, means images, you can send sound files also as attachment along with your email. Email is very economical because you do not have to pay to send messages. इसके लिए आपको पे नहीं करना है. If you have internet connection, you can send. No matter where in the world you send them. Email can also save your money because you can send a message instead of placing a long distance phone call. As in phone calls, it will be chargeable, right? But email is free of cost. Understood? So that is the topic, email and the advantages of email. In our next video, I'll tell you something more about email. Okay, thank you.